911cybersecurity.com is a marketing and advertising agency for cybersecurity, MSSP and MSP companies. Whether you offer cybersecurity services or products, the methods you use to reach prospects need to be as adaptable to the ever-changing marketing and advertising landscape. 911cybersecurity.com will help you to find and fix your marketing, advertising, and SEO blind spots. To grow your cybersecurity, MSP, and MSSP companies, you need to be ahead of often bigger competitors. To be competitive, you need to identify your competitors and analyze how they market and advertise similar services. Then together, we will evaluate your existing marketing and sales data, review your KPI, key performance indicators, and update your USP, unique sale propositions, for each service your company offers. Together, we will come up with competitive offerings and create data-driven marketing plans to your advantage. 911cybersecurity.com experts will help you better understand your audience and identify your targeted marketing area. Build ideal customer profiles which would be a perfect fit for your products and services, so you can focus your sales efforts on leads that are more likely to convert. We will help you boost referral sales by re-engaging with existing customers and improve your brand recognition by targeting new qualified prospects. We are offering immediate help with marketing strategy and tactics, brand recognition, demand and lead generation, competitive intelligence, SEO, PPC, social media and PR management, and promotional whiteboard animation videos for every step of your customer's journey. Visit 911cybersecurity.com to start growing your business.